In this video, I'm going to show you how to download FC25 on PC and laptop. First, you want to open Google Chrome. So I'm just going to have this Google open. And then you want to go and download Steam. So Steam is like an online games place. So you basically need to download it over here. If you're looking to download on PC, this is the website. So after you download and install, you should have it like this, as you can see. So let me just open this here. So as you can see, after you log in into your Steam account, you go to the store here, search and type in FC25, and you should be able to find it over here. So as you can see, you have to buy it. So let's just go inside here, and like after you basically purchase it over here, and you basically put in your stuff here, you should be able to find it in your library. So when you go here, let me just show you library. You should be able to find it amongst your game here in your library, and right away you will be able to download it and play it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.